I know. It's bad. But in all honesty, this is my first Emerson fan in the wild. And for those who don't know, when I say in the wild, it's like thrift stores and flea markets or antique shops or whatever. Most of the Emerson fans I have or had, they were bought from the flea bay. Saw this one at a vintage shop, which was my favorite vintage shop, but since they moved, they became just a vintage shop to me. I still like going there, but it's really just too far. But once I go there, I find something decent, and this was one of them. There's another one, but I may get that next month if I remember it. But yeah, this is an Emerson. Yeah, I've already mentioned that. And it's a model number 79648AQ, if I can get that. Stand. Yeah, this looks like it was out in the open for a long time. I mean, it's rusted and everything, but it's a 79648AQ. And 27, so this makes this a circa 1947. So, another old fan. Yeah. So, pretty cool. I'm not going to do a whole lot. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to plug it up with a switch box and pray that it works. I'm not going to do any long drawn out restorations or resurrections or anything. If it don't work, well, I'll have something to go on later on. So let me get that set up and I'll be back in a sec. I'm not really confident in myself because the cord at the plug is broken, so I don't know if that's gonna work. But actually, let me just unplug the thing, turn the switch box on, and see what we got. Huh? Oh my god, it works. Holy hell, it works. It works. It works. I'm not even going to do the speed thing, but it works. And oscillation works. I mean, it's kind of, but I can fix that. I can fix that. I can fix that. I can fucking fix it. I'm still shaking right now. The fact that this 1947 Emerson model 79648AQ actually works is shocking. Although not shocking because it's an Emerson. Because these were built to last. And if you have one that's dead, it's probably something simple like maybe a bad speed coil or something. But the fact that I got it to work and it worked, I mean, it's going to need a lot of help, I mean, cleaning up wise, but at least I got something. I mean, honestly, that's what you do with an old car. Make sure it runs before you actually try to restore it or anything. Because I've heard stories about people that take fans or cars, not even check and make sure they run or work or anything, and they decide to just restore it, and then when they plug it in, so, sucks to be you, doesn't it? But yeah, I mean, I can't, I mean, it's like Rocky said, don't lose it, reuse it. So, yeah, and I'm going to reuse this. I'm going to bring this back to its former glory. I mean, it may not be perfect, but at least it'll be usable again. Of course, it's usable as is, sort of, but I don't trust the cord because when I said the plug is, yeah, right there, yeah, that was safe. But like I said, that's why I have a metal switch box. Who knows? But I actually unplug it from a distance so I won't get shocked. So that's that. So till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Comment box open.